individually for all these planets, how they are specifically. We'll start with the sun. Sun is a Kshatriya, Purusha Graha, Krura Swabhavi, and he rises from the east and he is going to give the life. See here, the Kshatriya Jati means Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, Brahmana. There are four jatis has been said. Here I want to give a small explanation of this jati, what actually the previously people were thought about. This is not the present day races as Brahmana, Kshatriya like that. A person, whoever is intellectual, he is considered as a Brahmana. Not by birth, only by the intelligence and their work areas. Now say a person who is working with the computers, we are saying he is a computer specialist or otherwise a banker or otherwise some other thing, businessman, etc., or a teacher, the profession. Based on the profession, they have categorized the four areas. A person, whoever is using the brain and intellectuality, that person is a Brahmana. A person, whoever is having muscle and protectability, where he can have a dynamism and so that he can protect it, regulate it, administrate it, thereby that person is a Kshatriya. Now, people, those who are working in the administrative areas, by work they are said to be the only Kshatriyas. It is not totally sedentary. A total sedentary is being said to be of the Brahmana, and a person who is of the active worker is the Kshatriya. Third is the Vaishya, who is making a business, a barter system. He is going to give and take. He is going to get the profit and loss. A person, whoever is any activity, whoever is related with that of whatever is related with that of the profit and loss, that activity is of the Vaishya. A person who is doing is a Vaishya. That means all these bankers are now Vaishyas. All these traders are Vaisyas. Now the fourth is the Sudra. This is Sudra is skilled worker. A person, whoever is working, skilled worker is said to be the Sudra. That means he is having a capacity of working, but not thinking, but not protecting, but not bartering. Now you can just see lots of the people are there, those who are not able to make out all these three activities, but still they work whatever they are being trained for. They are the Sudras. Now, the sun, how he looks. The sun, he looks with round face, honey-like eyes, small hair, and he is with the Paitika in nature, is going to be there. A person, whoever is the Pitta Prakriti person in Ayurveda, is said to be related with that of the Surya. How he behaves, a person under the influence of the Surya, how he behaves. Surya is as Atma, we referred. He is going to be having the Atma Abhimana. That means a little self-respect is going to be more enough. But a person, he is going to be egoistic also. And he is a quick in nature, and he attracts the people by his talk, and he is going to attain lots of the attention towards him by the people surrounded by, and he is going to be quite strong to speak and also even show his enormous activities. And he is a broad thinker, and he is going to give the people protection, quickly gets the anger, and he is going to be like if somebody is going to praise, he is active. And usually a person who is under the influence of the sun, he is said to be having a little enmity with the parents, and he is going to spend lots of the things over the for his himself and for our surrounded people. And we have to say these people, those who are under the influence of the sun, uh, they are having lots of the good qualities, but still they are they don't bother about many of the things. They are lazy sometimes even, and unnecessarily they do expenditures, and they are negligent towards their families also. They don't bother about anything, and but out of this a sudden spontaneous activity and brain activity, especially good ideas, are going to be generated for these people, those who are going to be under the influence of the sun. Commonly, people those who are under the influence of the sun are going to be associated with the government or any politics are going to be when to be under a politician is going to be usually under the influence of the sun. A person whoever is going to have his sixth house related with that of the sun, that person is going to be related most of the time with the politics also. Second, he is going to have a work related with that of the metals, especially like either the gold or brass or the silver, copper, etc. Any of the iron, etc. The metallic businesses are also, or administration is going to be done by these people. Especially these Ravi influenced people are going to be attached even with the mint, the where the currency and coins are going to be get printed also. Ravi, especially, he is referred with that of the Ayurveda. Yeah, any Ayurveda physician, commonly he is being associated with that of the Ravi or sun influence in his profession. Especially, we see the profession from the 10th house relations. And he is even the sun is influencing the people, those who are with the communication also. Especially Rahu and Ravi are going to be related with the electronics and communication systems. That means out of the engineering branches, we can understand which branch a boy is going to choose after when he is going to make or himself studying a subject of engineering. He is going to be even a common of the commonest. What I am speaking, the highest to that of the lowest, based upon the combinations and permutations and yogas of the Ravi, are going to be giving one to another. If he is not at all any of the yoga karaka in a particular horoscope, but still he is going to bless the native or person with a government job minimum and a secured salary. That much the sun is going to do when he is related with the 10th house. So, as such, we can understand this sun, what actually he is related with the in the Vedic Jyotisham or Vedanga Jyotisham. He is going to be related with that of the Atma. The sun is related with that of the Atma. And second, he is going to be related with that of the Prana. Prana or the life sustainability is related with that of the Prana. When in the medical astrology, even we see 12th house and also 8th house for the Ayu. But when we see whether when he is going to lose his prana, this prana is related with that of the sun once again. When we see this money, already we have come across money, monetary benefits, and ego are related with that of the Surya or the sun. He is Lord of the comforts for everybody, and he is going to give everything, and he is going to give the name and fame, and also the affectionate to, and also even with that of the relation with that of the uh, visualization of the things of the what is going to happen in future and how it is to be made out. And we can just see the prana, hridaya, atma. Atma, hridaya, prana, these three words are linked with that of the sun. That is the one reason why the Western astrology takes or gives the more importance to that of the sun and sun sign, where the sun is going to be. Based upon the sun sign, they are going to give the lots of the predictions. We can even relate this particular Surya Graha with different diseases also. The diseases which are going to be related are the cardiac diseases commonly. The second is face disorders. And even the memory disorders like Alzheimer's. Whenever there is Alzheimer's is there, even the sun is going to be reflective there. Because here the Atma, Prana, and also we are going to make the sun as one of the important planet. Here, the eye disorders also related with that of the Surya, and dental disorders also related with the Surya. That means eye disorders, dental disorders, mental disorders, or the memory disorders, or otherwise the heart disorders and face disorders are going, ENT disorders are going to be related with the Surya very commonly. Now, as the Atma, Prana are going to be related with Hrudaya, the Hrudaya Atma Prana relation of the sun is going to give a different aspect in the astrology. The Ravi is the owner of the Simha Rasi. Simha Rasi is the fifth Rasi in the zodiac sign. Mesha, Vrushabha, Midhuna, Karkata, Simha. This fifth Rasi, we are going to observe this fifth Rasi with the stars Makha, Pubba, Uttara. Now, 27 star distribution we are going to learn in the later course. Let us first finish one after the one planet, how they are going to be.